What up, homies? It's your girl Laurina, and today we're going to be talking about the Clarisonic and how to clean this beauty, because sometimes it can get a bit grimy, girl. Okay, even if your face is not a grimy face, it's just one of those things. So if you want to learn about that, then stay tuned. I told you guys about the Clarisonic a couple of months ago, so I've had this baby for a couple of months. And the other day, because sometimes we don't listen even to ourselves as YouTubers, you know, we tell you these things and we advise you, and we find ourselves sleeping with makeup on. I don't sleep with makeup on. We find ourselves not taking care of our skin. I take care of my skin. We find ourselves taking off our makeup with a Clarisonic. I've taken off my makeup using a Clarisonic, and it got super dirty. And so I had to YouTube how to clean your Clarisonic, because I obviously didn't want to damage the brush. I didn't want to damage anything, and I found a method. So firstly, because I want this video to be super quick, what you want to do is unscrew the brush head. Now that is super easy unless you have nails like mine. So don't have nails like mine, because it'll stop you from progressing in life. What you want to do is unscrew the Clarisonic head and put it aside, and then take a knife and take out this ring here at the bottom of the Clarisonic. Now make sure you're very careful, and that you also don't take out this ring here in the middle. I don't know what will happen when you take out the ring in the middle, girl. I don't know what will happen, but I've heard horror stories. Don't touch the ring in the middle. Just take the outer ring off, and then as soon as you get down there, you will see how grimy it is. Now this doesn't mean you're grimy, girl. It does not mean you're grimy, but sometimes soap gets in there, and it's basically just soap scum from what I figured. So the reason why I have scum, let me not call it scum. The reason why I had dirt underneath my ring was because stupid me decided to brush off my face mask using the Clarisonic. So what happens when you brush off the face mask using the Clarisonic? It comes off, of course. It comes through this brush over here, and then it goes underneath into this ring, and then it dries out. So that's basically what was underneath my ring. It was just dried up mask that I had brushed off using my Clarisonic. So in order to get that off, you just need a toothbrush, face wash, rub that off or scrub that off, and you're done. It literally takes you 5 minutes to make sure that your Clarisonic is super clean, super squeaky, and that you are keeping it very hygienic. And now when it comes to the brush head, all I did was basically, first of all, I think I had already soaked it in vinegar by the time I did the video. Like, I'd soaked it in vinegar for like 5 minutes, and then I was like, oh, wait, this would be a great video idea. So I took it out of the vinegar. So when you see it in this video, it's been in the vinegar for like literally 2 seconds. BTW, if you guys are looking at my makeup and you're thinking, oh, that's horrific. Yeah, I know, it's because this keeps happening. If you have solutions, I'd really appreciate it, because I'm tired of crying my makeup away. Do you know how expensive this eyeshadow is? Hold on. Be right back. I'm back. I've cried off my eyelashes. But you know, I'm alive. There's more serious problems in the world than eyelashes being cried off. Don't know what they are right now. This is serious to me. But anyway, so what I did was I used my Garnier face wash. I received it in a press drop just the other day, and it was right by the sink, so I decided why not use that. So you can use whatever face wash you have available at hand. And what you want to do is just wash the brush. So I would say use circular motions against your hand to wash the brush, and do it as gently as possible. Do as I say and not as I do, because I find that I kind of went a bit too rough on my brush, so some of the bristles are looking They're looking like struggle bristles at this point. Yeah, and then you want to then soak it into the vinegar to remove the excess dirt, to remove that stubborn dirt that's not coming off, like the makeup stains and whatever, which is what I wanted to remove. I soaked my brush overnight, I think it was. No, it wasn't overnight. I soaked it for I think about 2 or 3 hours, and then this morning I then rinsed it off and washed it again, also to get rid of that vinegar smell. And that's about it, you guys. So you I would recommend washing your brush. It depends on how often you use it. I used to use it a lot. I was addicted to it. I don't use it as often anymore, only because of the skincare routine I'm on and because of the products that I'm using. So I don't use it as much as I used to, but I would say if you're using it daily, then try and wash your brush once a week. Yeah, once a week seems very hygienic. Try and wash your brush once a week. Like I said, it doesn't take a long time. You can also just do this in the shower. You don't need to necessarily soak the brush in vinegar, especially if you're washing it so often. But that ring area, you don't want it to get bacterialized. Bacteriaful. You don't want there to be bacteria buildup. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you wash your Clarisonic in under 7 minutes. That's a long video, but anyway, in under 10 minutes. If you like this video, leave a comment down below, and also a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video because you never know who might need it. Otherwise, I will see you. Oh, subscribe if you got this far. Just subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.